Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite your users and teams inside Clickup in this updated 2026 workflow. This is especially helpful if you're running a Shopify store and starting to bring on virtual assistants, designers, or fulfillment help. It's super straightforward, but there are a couple spots people overlook, so yeah, let's jump right in. So first thing, make sure you're logged into the right workspace. This is important if you manage more than one business or client account. Then look to the bottom left corner and click your workspace name. That opens the Workspace Settings panel where all the user controls live. Inside Settings, find the section called People or Members. Click that. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your workspace. Admins, guests, full members, all of them. It's basically your control center for who can see and do what in Clickup. Now, to invite someone new, hit the button that says Invite People. A little window pops up where you can type in their email. Add as many emails as you need, which is great if you're onboarding multiple team members at once. Then choose whether they're joining as a member or a guest, depending on how involved they need to be. Before you send the invite, ClickUp lets you choose their permissions. So if you want someone to edit tasks, assign work, or manage spaces, like a store manager or operations lead, make sure the correct role is selected. If they only need to view things, like a contractor or accountant, set them as a guest. Alright, let's talk teams. If you already have a group of people working together, you can invite or create a full team. Just switch to the Teams tab inside the People section. Click Create Team, give it a name, and start adding members. This makes assigning tasks to whole groups way easier, especially for things like marketing, support, or product management. If you need to update a team, just click on the team's name. You can add members, remove someone, or change who leads the team. It's all drag and drop simple, so keeping things up to date as your Shopify business grows is really easy. And if you want a team to have access to a space, like marketing or operations, open that space's settings under Sharing and Permissions. Add the team and select the right access level, so everyone sees only what they need and nothing extra. If someone hasn't accepted an invite yet, you can resend it or cancel it. Just look under the Pending Invites section, click the three-dot menu, and choose what you need. This is helpful if an email gets missed or someone no longer needs access. And that's it. That's the full rundown on inviting users and setting up teams inside Clickup for 2026. Once everything's organized, your workspace gets way easier to manage and collaborate in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.